Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add button in your MailChimp template. So let's begin. Now go to your MailChimp account, log in using your credentials, and the first thing we need to do to create or to add button to your MailChimp template is by creating an email using our template. Now you have two options here, okay? So click on template. Say, for example, you want to get started using the MailChimp templates. Now, if you have already saved some templates that you have worked in the past, all you're going to do is hover down on it. Say, for example, these are the MailChimp templates that you might want to check on our channel. It's very important for you to check our Andy's Guides channel and click on subscribe to get more updates when we upload new videos. Now, from here, you can say, for example, choose any buttons that you wanted. Say, for example, I'm choosing this certain save template that I worked in the past. And I haven't named it yet, so let's click on that. Now from here, any part of the editor, you can just click on the button here, drag and drop, and that's it. Now from here, you can obviously customize it. Say, for example, if you wanted to have it like a PDF kind of button for them to choose from. Now from here, if you wanted to change it to a PDF form, from here, you can just change it to file. So we have a separate video for that. Now, if you wanted to have it like a YouTube link for you to check out, what you can do is paste the URL link from here. Now, I'm going back to our channel. Say, for example, this is the video that you wanted to put in. All I'm going to do is click on share, copy the URL link, and save it here. Okay? And that's how you add a button on your MailChimp template. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.